All right, Barkday Howard, Barkday Shai, Kala Yaha, Barkday Shai, Barkday Kakadash, the amount of the apostle, great will, so we will, stereotype, take, occupant to the truth, culture according to the earth, through the spirit of power, Yaha, Barkday Shai, the hope will elect, through the word we call God, name Yahweh, through the word we call Jesus Christ, name Yahweh Shai, the Hebrews like that consistent to the so-called Negroes, Latino, the American Indians, the line of tenants go back to the short tribe of Israel due to the scattering among the nations across the four corners of the earth. This is Mahari Call from the Great Millstone, Los Angeles camp, back from the elections. I was not watch the dollar really better flying through the spirit and power of Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Shai, Bahashim Yahweh Kakadash, which is the Holy Spirit. Earthquake, California over earthquake, but I don't remember this happening before. This is the article 350 earthquake and 48-hour cracked water line and road in Southern California as the Brawley fault zone light up. All right, now Brawley is further east of LA. All right, going out toward Arizona. All right, in Riverside County though. All right, the ground beneath the California Imperial Valley would not basically like Coachella area. Probably y'all familiar with the Coachella Music Festival, so out that way. A little bit further, I believe. The Imperial Valley would not stop moving starting late on May 8, 2026, and continued through the evening of May 10th. Roughly 360 earthquake ripple to the Brawley seismic zone, a volatile corridor region between the Imperial Fault and the southern San Andreas, the largest, a magnitude 4.7, centered near the farming city of Brawley, struck hard enough to rattle home from East Central to the Salton Sea and send residents scrambling out of bed. A report of a cracked water main in nearby Calipatria and buckled stretches of Highway 111 that could take you up to Palm Free, I believe, have circulated through local media and emergency channels, though no primary agency have published a formal damage assessment confirming those accounts. For a region built on soft, irrigated desert soil and served by aging infrastructure, the 48-hour fire rage did more than rattle nerve. It raised urgent questions about how vulnerable the valley water line, road, and canal embankment remain to the kind of sustained seismic pounding this fault zone is known to deliver. Uh, it's a long article. That's pretty much it. You know, earthquake activities. The San Andreas questions. They've been talking about the big ones for the last 30 years. The big earthquake, the big one. Whenever the Brawley zone light up, the same question follows as this raised the odds of a larger earthquake on the southern San Andreas. Short answer based on the available science is that storm like this will nudge the short-term probability of a bigger quake upward by a small amount. That elevated probability then decay back to background level if the storm taper off without a significant main shock. Historically, most Brawley storms have ended quietly. On rare occasions, those moderate earthquakes have followed in the broader region. But hey, this is the spirit of the Lord. It's prophecy. The Lord can do whatever He wants. Change it up to where it can trigger the San Andreas fault line. All right. So, it's part of the Lord visitation. All right. All right, taking into chapter 9, verse 1. After me then, if they have measured down the time diligently in itself, which I'll see a part of the time past to the prophecy, which I have told you before, then shalt thou understand that it is the very same time wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. Therefore, when there shall be things earthquakes and upward of the people in the world, right, except the earthquake going on in various other places throughout the world, people are the uproar, right, the governments, right, all it's part of the Lord program. Then shall thou understand that it's that the Most High spake of those things from the days that were before thee, even from the beginning. So all these already been planned out, already been designated to happen. All right, so going back to verse 3. All right. Verse 2. Then shalt thou understand that it is the very same time and the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. All right, he's doing that through his angel. All right, come and ride in his chariot. Yeah, I did. I was right. The chapter part for me. Isaiah 29 verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord, a host, which are the angels. All right. With thunder and with earthquake and great noise, with storm and tempest and the flame of the devouring fire. Right, because it's the Lord that do all these things, not what people call Mother Nature. Yeah, each all may have his technology, harp, and stuff like that, but ultimately, that all still go back to the Heavenly Father and the Son, how shy, but able to carry out the instructions, all right, that need to be carried out, all right. So yeah, the Lord visited the place by that way, all right. The angel be in the chariots, all right. So that's pretty much it. So that's shalom.